Thank you, my honorable judges, the opposition team, and all of the audience. Today, our debating topic is online study is better than traditional study. And we are the affirmative team believe that the statement is really true. And we chose that online study is better than because there are many reasons, and there are benefits, and there are many importance. So I want to explain that. Online study has many benefits because online study allows students to choose from a wide variety of schools, and available in the area. Online study can give you access to hundreds of schools and hundreds of quality of platform. And online study is more flexible because online study offers flexibility for students who have other commitment. Actually, online study has many kind of benefits, many benefits. I want to discuss something. Online study based students find many information using just one search engine. But in traditional study based students need a lot of books, and it's so difficult to find out the exact topic actually that student what they want. The most important thing is that traditional study provide limited knowledge. For this, it's hamper all-round development of a learner. But in online student, there has unlimited story in online. Everything has in online. Student can find out exactly what he wants, and it's so easy in this present time. And online student more developed and upper level student in all time because online student can learn what is better in the world right now, and they can prepare himself with the combination. But the traditional students can't find out actually what the things right now is better in the world. For this actually they can't prepare himself for the upper level content. And it is very important benefits that in online classes, if any student missing the class, they can go to next time. But traditional student can't it. Okay, online students miss something in lecture, they can backward and they can understand them. Then if any students can understand the topic, they can push the video, they can speed up the video for his better understanding. International students, when teacher gives the lecture, and 3, 40 or 50 people, 50 students, the teacher can't deliver their lecture properly. And for a lot of students, the teacher can't take care one by one in a limited time. But online education system is a one-in-one education system. For this, the students can get his topic so easily, and they can memorize it. In traditional studies, when teacher gives the lecture, students sometimes feel bored and sometimes feel sleepy. And in the classroom, but online student can give their 100% attention because it is a one-of-one class. Thank you, my honorable teacher.